Hello friends, welcome to my channel Howtastic, where we do things in fun and a fantastic way. This channel is a complete family channel. You will find how-to videos, travel vlogs, cooking recipes and my pet hamsters. So please subscribe to my channel Howtastic for more videos.
Hello friends, welcome to our channel Howtastic. Today this video is going to be about aloe vera juice. I have this plant from long time, so thought of making some aloe vera juice and making some video. So you can see that they are fully grown and they are very healthy. So I'm going to take any one of the healthy leaf which has a lot of gel. Going to cut it 1 or 2 pieces. As you can see, they are healthy and it has a lot of gel. I'm going to cut the edges first on both the sides and the ends, and going to make it in cubes so that it will be easy for me to remove the gel. I'm going to use my thumb to remove the skin and going to press gently on the gel to remove the gel. It's a little bit slippery, I'm not able to get exactly, so I think I need to try some other method. Thumb is a little bit tricky. Okay, got the gel. So let me try with the knife. So let me peel the skin and try to remove the gel from thumb. Yeah, this time it came easily. You can see the gel. So this is not enough, so I'm going to use another leaf so that I can have a little bit more quantity. I'm going to repeat the same procedure. Going to cut the leaf, cut the ends, cut the edges, cut it in cubes and remove the gel. So now you can see I'm going to use with a spoon. I think it's an easy method and it's less danger. I'm not going to use knife, so spoon is better. So I'm going to put it in the blender and add some water to make it a little paste. Now I'm going to blend it, and at least you need to keep it for 2 to 3 minutes so that it will be like more of watery and you can see the foam on it. Here you can see a foamy thing. So this is ready now. The juice is ready. So I'm gonna transfer it in a container, but before that I will filter it. So you can use any filter. So I'm using a small piece of cloth uh, which is good for filtration. If you have any different strainer or anything, you can use it. So I'm using this piece of cloth, and it does a good filtration, and you can see that all the water is in the jar, all the juice is in the jar. I could have made a little more quantity because I don't use too much, so I'm just making it with the 2 leaves, but you guys can make it more, and you can add a lot of water to make it watery. Now you see I have a little bit of gel. What I'm going to do is going to remove it and put it in the blender. Basically I'm not going to do it for this quantity, but if you're having a larger quantity, you can put it in the blender and add some more water and blend it well, and you can repeat the same procedure and do the filter and remove all the juice. I'm going to transfer it in a small bowl because I need to do at least 2 times filtration, and for the larger quantity you can make it at least 3 times. So I'm just ensuring that there is no lumps because I'm going to use it in the spray bottle to spray it on the hair. So it's good for any hair entangling. This will help. And it has a lot of benefits. You can apply it on the skin, you can apply it on the hair, you can put it on the scalp. It will nourish well, and it can be used as here I'm going to add vitamin C and vitamin E oil for preservatives. It is not necessary. You can use without vitamin C and vitamin E oil. If you have large quantity, you can put the vitamin C and E oil and you can refrigerate, and you can use it anytime whenever you need it. So hope you like the video. If you have any suggestion, please comment, and make sure that the jar has a airtight lid.